about to get burnt rain. Watch out. What do you think, little Ann? Wag that tail, girl. Quit ruining it. You brought, oh my gosh, you ruined it. Oh, that looks nice and smooth. I got my hose. Oh. Pimp of the year. Yeah, tag, you're in. Got our water trailer rigged up. We're gonna go down to the creek and fill this 275-gallon tote. We'll flush it first. It is food grade. We got a little pump on there. Little 35-gallon per minute, 1-inch pump. It's a little small for that, but my 2-inch is a beast. It'll do, I don't know, 138 gallons per minute or something. But this is fine. This is plenty for this tank. And this pump will also double to pump the water out in through a garden hose into our sprinkler for the garden. Good Lord, dog. You want me to throw it for you?
And I'll tell you, Joe Harold, we can go a little further, can't we? And one thing about it, we can do them close or we can do them far away.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, wow. Awesome. Direct line now into the pump. I got my 125 footer. We are live with sprinklerage. And this thing just sips the gas. I mean, it's barely above idle. Heck yeah. That's awesome.
We're gonna have to work on that corn some more, James. It ain't gonna be long. We're gonna need to be putting some triple 13 beside that shit. Yeah, these squash plants are about done anyway.
I hope they are.
Got all the spuds out. Over here.
Oh, she hit.
Put them in a jar or a
Beats, I might just do that.
Well, this thing's pretty much harvested out. A lot of weeds. We had like asparagus and carrots, jalapenos, onions, walking onions back in the corner. This bare spot was where all of our spuds were. Corn and beans. Let's see, I'm trying to remember, there was so much stuff. It's hard to keep track of everything. Lots of zucchinis and cucumbers. Still a lot of peppers. Lettuces. There's some melons out there. We have watermelon and cantaloupes. A lot of tomatoes over here on the left. But oh, these are peas. That's what they were. Yeah, these two rows right here. And I'm about over the garden for the season. The free time that I do have, I spend too much of it working on this. So I think next year I'm just gonna turn it over to Dennis and Michelle and let them work on it and do whatever they want to, because like I say, I just don't have the time for it. So, and they really enjoy it. It's their therapy, where it's more like a chore and pain in the ass for me. So it's just not my gig. I'll do it if I have to, but I have other important things I need to get to. So sayonara, garden.
There he is. Right there.
Oh, good eye. Dude, I can't even see it. You hear that? Sounded like he laughed. What you doing, dog? We cooking up some bacon for some BLTs and whatever else we might want to have later this week. Yeah. Watching the game, chilling out, getting some grub ready. What you doing, dog? He is out there. Feel safer in here, dog. Okay. Honestly, Angry Road is soaking wet in 5 seconds. Wanna go for a ride? Come on, load them up.